Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix cutting error in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, we want to cut these parts from the beginning of this video right here, and we have cut as many as possible different area. All of a sudden, we find out that we need to cut out this beginning part of the video. And then once we select the clip and we press the delete key, you can see it deleted successfully. We press Ctrl X to return it back. Then we want to come down below right here on the next track right here. We want to cut this beginning part. So right here, so I can take my playhead right here and then go ahead and click on this particular scissor right here. Then it has been cut. Now let's say for instance, I want to delete this part away, and then while I move the clip to the beginning of the video. So for that, select on the clip, and then when you press the delete key, you find out that another thing deletes entirely right here. Just like what you see right there. If I press Ctrl Z, then we have the clip back. But if I try to click on here now and press the delete key, you see another thing entirely. Ctrl Z, it's back. Then let's say for instance, I decided to delete this big one, this big clip right here from the timeline. I select it and press the delete key. Take a look at what happened right here. It's turned everything to entirely error. How do you fix this type of problem and then continue to work with your cutting and trimming editing workflow in Filmora? So I'm going to press Ctrl Z, then we'll bring back all the clip. So how do you fix this problem? The best way to fix the problem is that you need to make sure you make sure you lock the first track right here. Like for instance, I'm going to select, or after selecting all the track right here, then I make sure I click on lock track. So once we lock the track, this will prevent any clip from here that we want to delete to misbehave from the first track right here. Let's say for instance, now I want to delete the first track, so I will just press the delete key on my keyboard after we select it. You can see it moved majestically to the beginning of the play in the video right here. And when you lock the track, it does not affect the track in the preview of the project right here, just like what you see right here. Now let's say for instance, I still want to delete some parts right here. Select on this, click on cut. Then I want to delete this. I will just press the delete key, and once we delete, the next track will move automatically, and it's not going to affect the track that we lock right here. Now when you are done with all this area that you want to cut, then you can now select your original track one from the second track right here, and then you can unlock it. Once you unlock it, you have all video right here. It's that simple. Track, as the case may be, it's that simple. So a lot of people are facing this problem, and I decided to make a simple trick to solve the problem. Let me know if you find this video useful in the comment section. And for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.